Weed blue. It's raining. We're pecking the rain off ourselves, eh? You stay in there. The trouble with these places is they have no overhangs to sit outside under the shade like we have in Pulford. Oh, poor things, you're wet. Eh? Oh, la la, you pecking the raindrops off her. Well, you don't want to go back in the shed. You can't work that out. Yes, you peck those things off her. Oh, la 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 la. It's raining. How horrid, you peck all that stuff off her, eh, Christmas? You're looking much better today. Oh, you're looking much better. Eh? Poor things, you're not looking very happy about... Yeah, you peck all that wains off you. Oh, la 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 la. Eh? More potato. Oh, we're not happy about all these raindrops on us. Oh. I thought it was sleet this morning, but not quite. Anyway, yeah? Don't walk on the pebbles. I don't like pebbles. They're painful to dogs' paws. Eh? Oh, la 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 la. You do a bit of clearing up. Anyway, the garden gnome from Asda made it all the way to Shrewsbury. Oh, I'm a bit surprised about that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll have to fix that greenhouse. I got the clips from B&Q yesterday. Got to go back because the tail of one of the cockerels is missing. You have to watch things. I didn't realise it had a tail. It's a metal cockerel. I've put it out front. Eh? Oh, look, isn't that delicious? Does the grass taste greener in Shrewsbury? Oh, well, they don't have as many dandelions as we have in Cheshire. That's definite. I remember when the ducks were around, yeah? Yes. What a to-do. Hey, Christmas, what do you think of that? You're not as nasty as Kirsty. You don't bite my camera. Oh, you're not happy with all this rain, are you? Well, there's nothing I can do about it, and Mother hasn't got a plastic awning. Yeah? People don't think about these things. I'm fed up with her carpets. We keep getting dog paws all over them, eh? Oh no, I can't let the dogs out too much, eh? Look at that. What a stupid idea to put carpets in houses, eh? Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, at least she's covered it with her sheet yesterday because we are not going to get... I've already spent the day